YouTube? I'm Josh with Nothing But Dirt. I know last video said we were gonna plan to go to Fayetteville, but they canceled because of rain. So we're gonna head up to 311 Motor Speedway. I got my car all loaded up. Doug's over here wiping his down, and soon we'll be on the road. Ready to get on the road? Alright, we just had our driver's meeting. They're packing the track right now, so we're going to be going out for hot laps here soon. Ladies and gentlemen, we just finished qualifying. I qualified 6th, and I know that was kind of a slow lap. I got caught in the mud up high a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. I was about a second and a half off the pole, so hopefully I'll be able to perform a little bit in the future, see how it goes. And Doug's car is looking real good, I'll tell you that.
I went out for qualifying. The first lap, jumped the cushion going into 1 and 2, and I get through 3 or 4 flat footing. I'm about a second off. I qualified 10th. I think there's 14 or 15 cars here. A lot of fast cars here. We're gonna start where we are, 5th row outside, and hunt the front and just try to get up there the best we can, and that's all we can do. Dad's starting.
I don't remember.
I don't know. I know I think he said he's starting last where he wants to be.
It is what it is. Hopefully we're fast. No, Doug's got a fast car. I think I've got a little bit of potential. So we'll see how the future goes. right, guys, so at the end of the day, Doug finished 9th out of 15, and I finished 7th out of 10, which is not too bad. My car held together, which I'm happy about. I don't have a whole lot to fix before we go to Fayetteville next week. And I know I said we were going to be at Fayetteville this weekend, but they rained out. So as long as Fayetteville doesn't rain out, we'll be at Fayetteville next week. But the reason I couldn't recap with Doug is, one, we forgot, and I had to take off from Doug's house super early because I want to get this video out, because this week we're going to the field and I still need to pack. So I'm about to edit up this video. It's about 4 o'clock. Got to pack for the field. So it might be a long night. That being said, Doug and I have been working real hard to put videos together, and I mean, it's not a full-time job, you know. I edit videos on the evenings, and we have a lot of fun with it. But that being said, please like, comment, and subscribe, because we do put a lot of work into it, and it means the world to us when we see you guys interact with us and just show us the love, you know. So keep it rolling. We'll see you next week.